Are you wondering if you can fast forward through commercials on YouTube TV? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you exactly how the platform handles ad skipping. If you're looking to save time and avoid interruptions, you'll want to hear this. Yes, you can fast forward through commercials on YouTube TV, but only when watching recorded content using the DVR feature. When you record a show or movie, YouTube TV saves it to your cloud DVR library, and during playback, you have full control over the progress bar. This means you can skip past ads just like you would with a traditional DVR system. It's one of the most convenient features of YouTube TV for avoiding interruptions. However, if you're watching live TV, you won't be able to fast forward through commercials because the ads are part of the live broadcast stream. Similarly, some on-demand content may include unskippable ads depending on the network or licensing agreements. To make the most of this feature, consider recording your favorite shows in advance so you can watch them later without being tied to the live schedule. And enjoy the freedom to skip those pesky ads. If this video helped you understand how to fast forward through commercials on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.